It has never been more important to make your home eco-friendly and stylish. As we move into 2025, eco-friendly home decor is all the rage. There are a lot of ways to make your home healthier without sacrificing style. Reusing materials and using energy-efficient solutions are just a few ways that being environmentally conscious can make your home look better, while also lowering your carbon footprint. There's something for everyone, whether you want to change the look of your home or add a touch of nature. In this video, we will explore 12 inspiring ideas to transform your home into an eco-friendly sanctuary. 1. Furniture with a green touch. Select furniture made from eco-friendly materials like bamboo, reused wood, or recycled metal. These choices are good for the environment and can give your home a rural or modern look. Look for items with eco-labels to make sure they were made and sourced in a decent way. 2. Nature's beauty indoors. Bringing life into your room is easy when you have plants inside. Succulents, snake plants, and pothos are all low-maintenance choices that do well with little care. These plants clean the air, make you feel better, and create a calm space that's great for relaxing. 3. Energy-saving lighting solutions. Switch out your light bulbs for LED or solar-powered ones. LED lights last a lot longer and use up to 75% less energy. Out-to-door solar-powered features use less energy and work even when the power goes out, making your home both stylish and energy efficient. 4. Creative recycling and decor. Turn everyday things into home art. Metal cans can be used as planters, glass jars can be used as vases, and old fabrics can be used to make seat covers. These do-it-yourself projects make your home more unique and help you cut down on waste. 5. Natural and organic textiles. Incorporate textiles made from organic cotton, wool, or jute into your home. These materials are biodegradable and free from harmful chemicals. Whether it's rugs, curtains, or bedding, they provide a warm, cozy, and eco-conscious feel. 6. Eco-conscious paint choices. Opt for low VOC, volatile organic compounds, or zero VOC paints for your walls. These paints minimize toxic emissions and improve indoor air quality. They come in a variety of colors, allowing you to achieve your desired look without compromising health or sustainability. 7. Transform. Old furniture. Upcycling old furniture is a sustainable and creative approach to home decor. Sand down and repaint pieces using eco-friendly paint or reupholster with sustainable fabrics. This gives furniture a second life and adds a unique touch to your space. 8. Water-efficient home additions. Install water-saving fixtures like aerators, low-flow faucets, or dual-flush toilets. These upgrades reduce water waste without sacrificing functionality. Pair them with rainwater collection systems for an even more sustainable water management solution. 9. Harness the sun for decor. Solar-powered decor items, such as garden lights, lanterns, and water fountains, offer an eco-friendly way to enhance your outdoor spaces. These items reduce reliance on traditional energy sources and add a magical glow to your evenings. 10. Support local craftsmanship. Choose handmade, eco-friendly art and decor created by local artisans. This not only reduces the carbon footprint associated with mass production, but also supports small businesses. From wall hangings to sculptures, local art adds a story and uniqueness to your home. 11. Chic composting solutions. Add a stylish compost bin to your kitchen to manage food waste responsibly. Modern designs blend seamlessly with your decor, making sustainability a part of your daily routine. Use compost for your garden, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. 12. Thrifting for timeless pieces. Explore thrift stores, flea markets, and online marketplaces for secondhand decor. These pre-loved items add character and charm to your home while reducing demand for new resources. Look for unique finds like vintage mirrors, lamps, or furniture with a story. By embracing these eco-friendly home decor ideas, you can create a harmonious, sustainable space that reflects your values and love for the planet. Conclusion: it has never been more important to make your home eco-friendly and stylish. As we move into 2025, eco-friendly home decor is all the rage. There are countless ways to make your home healthier without sacrificing style. Reusing materials and using energy-efficient solutions are just a few approaches that enhance your home's look while lowering your carbon footprint. Whether you want to transform your interiors or simply add a touch of nature, these ideas offer inspiration for everyone. Let's take a step toward a greener, more beautiful home for ourselves and the planet. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It has never been more important to make your home eco-friendly and stylish. As we move into 2020,